Okay, hello. So, again, I am Mom B at your service. So, again, for today, allow me to present to you my lesson about the distance formula in proving geometric properties. So, we are now on week 7. So, malapit nang matapos ang ating second quarter. So, objectives of our lesson, first, you are going to find the distance between 2 points. Second, apply the distance formula in proving some geometric properties. And third, find the missing coordinates in terms of the given variable. So as a start, let us find the distance between 2 points. So the distance between 2 points is always positive. So walang distance na negative when the 2 points are different, and 0 if the points are the same. So when the 2 points are aligned horizontally, it can be obtained by getting the absolute value of the difference of their x coordinates. And similarly, the vertical distance between 2 points can be solved by using the absolute value of the difference of their y coordinates. So in short, para sa ating horizontal distance, we have the formula d is equal to the absolute value of x sub 1 minus x sub 2. And for the vertical distance, we have d is equal to the absolute value of y sub 1 minus y sub 2. So let's have example number 1. Find the distance between S with coordinates 1, 3 and T coordinates 8, 3. So as you can see, this is aligned horizontally. So the distance between them is obtained by the formula d is equal to the absolute value of x sub 1 minus x sub 2. So our x sub 1 is 1 and our x sub 2 is 8. So hindi natin gagamitin yung 3. So by substitution, we have d is equal to the absolute value of 1 minus 8, or st is equal to the absolute value of 1 minus 8, where 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Siyempre, pag sinabi natin absolute value, we will get the numerical value regardless of the sign. So, regardless of this. So, kukunin lang natin ang just the numerical value. In short, st is equal to 7 units. So, since we are talking about distance, so kailangan ang ating answer ay laging expressed in units. So, kailangan may units of measurement. So, that's units. Now, another example. This time, we determine the distance between C with coordinates 3, 6 and D 3, negative 2. So, as you can see, this is aligned vertically. So, the distance between them is obtained by the formula d is equal to the absolute value of y sub 1 minus y sub 2. So, yung y naman ang kukunin natin. So, heto po ang y. So, bali, ang given natin ay y sub 1 is 6 and y sub 2 is negative 2. Therefore, substituting in the formula, we have CD is equal to absolute value of y sub 1 minus y sub 2. That's absolute value of 6 minus negative 2. So 6 minus negative 2 becomes 6 plus 2. That is 8. And absolute value of 8 is also 8. So the answer is 8 units. So madali lang kunin ang distance ng vertical line and horizontal line. Okay, so to continue, let's have the distance formula. So, paano pag hindi siya horizontal at saka vertical distance? Consider 2 points A and B with coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2 respectively. The distance d between these points can be calculated using the distance formula. And the distance formula is d is equal to square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 1 or y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So may tanong, pwede bang magkabaliktad? Yes. So we can have it as square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 squared plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 squared. Okay, so kahit ano dyan sa dalawa. So gusto nyo, gamitin nyo pareho para checking. Okay, let's have example number 3. So find the distance of the segment below. So as you can see, the segment below is a diagonal line. Therefore, to find the distance between this P and Q, so we're going to substitute 2, 3 and 8, 8 in the formula. So that means x sub 1 is 2, y sub 1 is 3, x sub 2 is 8, and y sub 2 is 8. So we'll substitute that to the formula. Yan. Kaya ito po ang lagyan natin. Lagyan natin ng, so this is x sub 1. This is x sub 2. And then, this is y sub 1. And this is y sub 2. Okay? So, let's continue. So, PQ is equal to square root of 2 minus 8 squared plus 3 minus 8 squared. Simplifying, we have negative 6 squared plus negative 5 squared is equal to square root of 36 plus 25 equals square root of 61. And the square root of 61 is equal to 7.8. Therefore, the distance is 7.8 units. Okay? So, burahin na natin. So, to continue. How if one point is at the origin? So, how do we get the distance? So, it's simply d is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Mas madali siya. Example, as you can see dito sa segment natin, ang isang point ay nasa origin, that's 0, 0, at ang isa ay nasa 6, 7. So, to find the distance, we have square root of 6 squared plus 7 squared. That gives us square root of 36 plus 49 equals 85. And the square root of 85 equals 9.2 units. So, ayan. So, nakita nyo na yung pagkuha ng distance kapag horizontal line, vertical line, diagonal line, at kapag ang line ay nasa origin ang isa. Next, paano pag may mga missing coordinates? So, paano natin to i-identify? Okay, let's see. For example, number 1, BEST is a parallelogram. So, you are going to find the missing coordinates. So, dito, ang mga coordinates na given ay mga variables. So, kaya nito, D, comma, E, C, comma, 0, and then syempre nasa origin siya, so 0, comma, 0. So ang hinanap natin ay ito. So paano natin makukuha ang coordinates nito? Okay, so ganito po ang gagawin. So ngayon, magdodraw ako ng kasi walang coordinates dito, 'di ba? So magdodraw ako ng line. So dahil parallelogram siya, ibig sabihin ito at ito ay equal. Ngayon, so dahil equal 'yan, kung ito ay the x niya, ang x niya ay D, that means this is also D, di ba? Okay. Ngayon, ito, kumapit ako na ibang kulay. So, ito, at ito, ay the same, di ba? So, if the distance of this is D, so D siya, di ba? D. So, this is also D. Okay. From here, mula dito, so I'll use another kulay. Okay, so that is C. So, therefore, this one will be C. Ay, pangit. Itim ang gamitin natin. This one is C. Plus this. Plus D. Okay. So yan ang ating X. Now, para sa Y naman, syempre, makikita naman natin, ha? Makita natin. Yan, katapat siya, katapat. So, kung ang Y niya ay E, ibig sabihin, this is also E. Okay, this is also E. Yan. So, yan ang sagot. The coordinates is C plus D, comma, E. Okay. Or D plus C, comma, E. Okay? That's it. So, buray na natin. Let's go to second. Friend is an isosceles trapezoid. Maganda na best friend. Okay, so heto ang itsura ng isosceles trapezoid. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, so, okay, analyze din natin. So, ang hinahanap ay ito. Yan. So, hanapin natin ang mga available. So, ang coordinate nito ay M, R. So, yung sabihin ng X niya ay M. M ito. At ang Y niya, so ito ang X, ito ang Y. So, ang Y niya ay R. Okay, so mga tuwid, R ito. R yan. Nasa y-axis yan. Ibig sabihin, walang x. So that means, ayan. So, meron na tayong unang sagot. 0, R. Heto na lang ang problema. This one. So, ano to? Ano to? Okay. So, from here, mula dito hanggang dyan ay M. So, ang problema natin, mula dito hanggang dyan ay ano? Okay, so dahil yan ay isosceles trapezoid, ibig sabihin, equal ito dito. Ang distance nito ay F. So, ibig sabihin, F din ito. F. In short, ang coordinate nito ay M plus F. Nasa x-axis siya. So, ibig sabihin, walang y-axis. Ayan. So, heto ang sagot. Okay. So, in short, we have 0, r and m plus f, 0. Okay? So, buray na natin. So, let's proceed with more examples. Oh, meron pa akong di nabura. Burahin pa. Oh, let's proceed with more examples. Name the missing coordinates. So, number 1 is a trapezium. Pag sinabi nating trapezium, no sides are parallel and no sides are congruent. Okay, so anong hinahanap natin? Oh, heto ang hinahanap natin. So, ano daw ito? Okay, so ano daw ito? Ano daw yan? Ano daw yan? Okay, so madali lang ito. So, una magdodrawing ulit tayo dahil hinahanap natin ay x at saka y. Oh, madali na yung y kasi nasa x-axis siya. So, drawing ulit tayo nito. Ayan. So, ito daw ay C. Ngayon, ito, paano ito? O, ngayon, wala tayong clue tungkol dito. Oh, so, anong distance nito? Yan, wala tayong clue about this. So, gagamit tayo ngayon ng representation. So, pwede kong sabihin, ano ba yung ginagamit natin to represent the unknown? Siyempre, ang walang kamatayang x. So, we say let x equals is the missing. Let x equals the missing measurement. Ang hirap magsulat ng basta measurement yan, ha. Let x is the missing measurement. So, para makuha ko ang distance nito, pwede kong masabing may c ako plus x. Diba? Dali lang. And ano yung y? Nasa x-axis siya. Ibig sabihin, walang y. So, it's 0. Okay? So, that's it. So, the answer is c plus x, 0. Burahin natin. Kasi mapangit sa screen. Okay. Next. We have second figure is a square. Mas madali ito. So, ang hinahanap ay dalawa. Ito, at saka yan. So, heto ang given. Paano yan? So, ibig sabihin, ang b ay x, ang x ay b, ang y ay b rin. Siyempre, square siya. So, kailangan same yung x and y. So, dahil ito ang hinahanap natin. So, yung una, number 1, dahil ito ay nasa y-axis, ibig sabihin, walang x. Walang x. Ngayon, yung y mo, dahil nakatapat siya dyan, ibig sabihin, kung ito ay b, b rin yan. So, therefore, that's answer number 1, 0, b. Next, dito naman tayo. So, ano to? So, ito ay nasa x-axis. So, kung nasa x-axis siya, heto yan. So, it's b, comma. Nasa x-axis siya. Ibig sabihin, walang y. So, pag walang y, it's 0. So, the answer is 0, b. So, that's number 1. And then b, 0, that's number 2. Okay, so, burahin na natin para Okay. Next. Number. So let's have example number 3, a rectangle. So, dalawa ulit ang hinahanap. So, number 1, ano ito? Tapos, ano ang number 2? So, ngayon, alam natin na sige, magda-drawing ulit tayo para mas maintindihan. So, ang x ay 0 at ang y ay c. So, kung ang y ay c, dahil yan ay magkatapat, kung ang y nito ay c, ibig sabihin, ang y rin nito ay c. Now, so, ang problema natin ay x. So, parehong walang, ang problema natin ay itong first coordinate. So, ibig sabihin, dahil hindi natin alam, so, we will represent it by x. So, magle-let x ulit tayo. So, let x. So, kung ito ay x, siyempre dahil yan ay parallel at congruent, so, x din yan. So, ibig sabihin, x din ito. So, x din siya. And then, dahil ito ay nasa x-axis, therefore, wala siyang y. So, that is 0. Also, the answer is x, c para sa number 1, and then x, 0 para sa number 2. Okay? So, burahin na natin. Burahin. Yan. So, sagot x, c and x, 0. Next. Number 4, isosceles triangle. Yan. Pag sinabi natin isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So, paano yan? So, ang hinahanap ay ito. So, para makuha natin yan, magda-drawing ako nito. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, ito ang x. Ito ang y. So, kung ito ay m din ito. Diba? M din yan. Isosceles yan. So, kung ito, distance from here ay m, dahil isosceles yan, from here is also m. So, m plus m equals 2m. So, 2m yan. Nasaan yan? Nasa x-axis. So, ibig sabihin, walang y. Okay? So, the answer is 2, 0. Okay. Tama. Okay, so burahin na natin. Moving on to example number 5. A parallelogram. So, pag sinabi nating parallelogram, there are two pairs of sides that are parallel. Okay, so anong hinahanap? Ito ang number 2. Ang dali, ang number 2. At ito ang number 1. So, alam natin na siyempre, narito siya. So, ibig sabihin, nasa origin. Pag nasa origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. Yan. Ngayon, may given Q, R. So, ang X ay Q, ang R ay Y. So, ibig sabihin, yung nakatapat dito is R. So, kung ito ay R, so, ang Y niya rin ay R. Next, ang problema natin ay yung X. So, paano natin makukuha ang X? Okay, so mula dito ay M. So, M siya. Okay. M. Dahil parallelogram, so that means ito at ito ay equal. So, ang coordinate nito, ang X nito ay Q. So, Q daw yan, Q. So, ito ay M. Kung ito ay Q, so Q din yan. Yung narito natin ay M. So, para makuha ko ang coordinate nito, ipa-plus ko yung M sa Q. So, that means M plus Q. So, let's see. Okay, it's correct. M plus Q, R, and origin. Yan. So, hindi natin nabura. Burahin na natin. Burahin na natin. Kasi, pag hindi natin binura, hindi natin makita yung susunod na slide. Okay. Next. Okay, last na. Number 6, trapezoid. So, pag sinabi nating trapezoid, one pair of sides are parallel. Ang hinahanap natin ay dalawa. Number 1, number 2. So, ang given ay P, R. So, that means X is P, Y is R. So, kung ito ay R, so this is also R. Okay, so may R na may Y na tayo. Next. Paano natin kukunin? Hindi na naman katapat. Drawing ulit tayo. Drawing. So, ito daw ay P. Ang hinahanap natin ay ito. So, ano to? Ano to? So, itong part na to ay equal to this. Kaso, hindi natin alam kung ano ito. So, pag hindi alam, magle-let X na naman tayo. So, let X. Let X equals the missing coordinate. So, let X. So, ito ay X. So, in short, kung ito ay P, yan, ito ay P, plus yon. Kasi 'di ba equal to, equal 'yan, equal, equal. Ginawa ko siyang let x, so therefore ito ay p plus x. Nasa x-axis siya. So, ibig sabihin walang y. Okay? Next. So, ito ay kasi hindi nga natin alam. So, this is x. Tingnan natin. Okay. So, that's x comma r and p plus x comma r. Mali. That is comma 0. So, okay. So, let's have the next lesson. Dito naman ay para sa center radius form of the equation. So, ito yung nasa week 8 ng module. So, anong pag-aaralan dito? First, you're going to illustrate center radius form of the equation of the circle. Second, determine the center radius form of the equation of a circle with the given equation and vice versa. And find the equation of a circle given the center and radius. Plus, you are going to graph a circle and other geometric figures on the coordinate plane. So, ang una, alam natin na a circle is a set of all points x, y in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. Yan. So, heto yung ating drawing ng circle na ang center ay nasa origin. So, that's 0, 0. Ibig sabihin nun, ang h, k niya ay 0, 0. So, dahil kasi wala siyang, hindi gumalaw yung, kumbaga nasa origin lang siya. Then, to determine the radius, so you simply count the number of units starting from the origin. To the right or to the left or above or below, where the circumference of the circle crosses the x and y axis. Kaya pag binilang ko ito, sabi nga left and right. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Siyempre, pag sinabi nating radius, equidistant yan. So, pare-pareho yung side niyan. So, ibig sabihin, ang radius ay 5 units. Next. So, ito naman, wala na siya sa origin. So, makikita natin na ang ating center ay nasa 3, 5. 3, 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang h, k niya ay 3, 5. So, ito, dahil tayo ay nasa equation on the circle, ang gamit natin instead na x, y ay h, k. So, ang radius niya ay 4 units. So, makikita ninyo mula sa center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. The center radius of the equation of a circle. So, paano yan? So, itong gagamitin nating formula para makuha natin ang equation of the circle given the center whose origin is at the center. Yan. The center is at the origin. So, example. Write the equation of the circle whose radius is 6 and the center is at the origin. So, solution. Using the formula x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So, we write an equation of a circle with center at the origin. So, substitute natin. Ang r ay 6. Kasi wala naman siyang, kumbaga ang origin niya is 0, 0. So, ang sasubstitute lang natin dito ay yung radius of 6. O, ngayon, isi-simplify na natin ang 6 squared. So, we'll get 36. So, the answer is x squared plus y squared equals 36. Next, paano naman pag wala sa origin? So, ang gagamitin nating formula ay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So, dito ay kapag ang center ay wala sa origin. For example, write the center radius form of the equation of the circle with center at negative 2, 5 and a radius of 10 units. So, solution. So, we use the center radius form. So, ito yung tinatawag na center radius form. And then, we substitute the value of h as x coordinate and k as the y coordinate of the center. So, magiging x minus negative 2. So, ang ating h ay negative 2 squared plus ang ating k ay 5 is equal to ang ating radius ay 10. So, magiging ganyan siya. O, simplifying, we will have x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 100. So, this is the center radius form of the equation of the circle, given a center of negative 2, 5 and a radius of 10. Next, paano natin i-graph yan? So, to graph a circle with center of the origin, simply get the radius. So, ito na yung formula. And then, locate the radius. Start from the origin. R units to the left and to the right. Kagaya ng ginawa ko kanina. And then, above and below. Then, connect it with a smooth curve to form a round circle. Example. So, draw the graph of each of the following equations of a circle where the center of the circle is at the origin. So, dahil x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared, so, bibilang lang kayo na 3 units mula sa origin. To the left, to the right, above, below. O, yung isa naman, 7 naman. 7 units to the left, to the right, above, and below. So, ang magiging sagot ay, charan! So, ayan po ang number 1. Ayan, to the left, 3, to the right 3, above 3, below 3. At ang number 2, okay, so 7, to the left 7. So, sige, pakita natin. Pink, gamit ako ng pink. So, 7 siya. Oops, wala palang pencil. So, bale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 below. So, tapos, magdodraw din kayo ng smooth curve around the circle. Oops, hindi siya masyado. So, ganyan lang ang pagdodrawing ng graph given the center radius form. Okay? So, burahin na natin. Moving on. So, paano naman i-graph ang standard form? Paano siya i-graph pag naka-standard form? Example. So, the values of h and k indicates that the circle is translated H units horizontally and K units vertically from the origin. Yan. So, ang H ay nagsasabi siya ng ano yung layo niya horizontally. So, pahalang. At yung isa naman ay vertical. Okay. So, to graph the standard equation or the center radius form, all you need to do is plot the center of the circle at h, k. So, magsisimula muna kayong i-plot yung center ng circle. Then, count. So, from the center, count out from the center in 4 directions. So, ito yung 4 directions. Right, left, above, below. Then, connect these 4 points. Example. Ayan. So, yung h, k niya ay nasa 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, nasa 4, 4 siya. Okay. So, heto naman. Ano naman ang susunod na lesson natin? Graphing the general equation of a circle. So, that is in the form of x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So, ito yung tinatawag na general equation or the general form. So, in order to graph the general equation of a circle, you need to transform or rewrite this equation to a standard form or to center radius form. Example, draw the graph of a circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 equals 0 and find the center and radius of the circle. Okay, so to determine its center and radius, write the equation in the form. So, ayan. So, kailangan mahanap natin ang center and radius. So, given, kailangan i-transform natin ang given into. So, paano siya ita-transform? So, ko-combine natin muna ang with same variable. So, that is, so, ito yung same variable, x squared plus negative 6x. Okay, then ito naman, y squared minus 10y equals negative 18. So, transpose ko yung 18, kaya siya naging negative 18. Next. So, are going to add to both sides of the equation the square of 1/2 the coefficient of x. So, bakit? So, kailangan ma-convert na x. So, we call it completing the trinomial. So, kailangan to make it a perfect square trinomial. So, di ba, pinag-aralan dati nung grade 8 kayo. To complete square, you are going to get 1/2 the coefficient of x. So, ang coefficient ng x ay negative 6. And get 1/2 the coefficient of y. So, ang coefficient of y ay negative 10. So, kukunin ng kalate then, square. Magiging ganyan siya. So, 1/2 of negative 6 is equal to negative 3. Tapos, square it. Negative 3 squared is equal to 9. So, ito yung magiging, i-add ninyo para siya maging perfect square trinomial. So, y naman, so, 1/2 times negative 10 is equal to negative 5. At ang negative 5 squared is 25. So, 25 naman ang i-add nyo dun sa with variable y. So, ang mangyayari niyan, x squared plus negative 6x plus 9. Diba kanina, x squared minus 6x lang siya. So, i-add natin yung plus 9. And then, kanina, y squared minus 10y. So, to complete the square, we add 25. Para balance yung equation, kasi kanina, diba, negative 18 lang yan. So, nag-add tayo sa left ng 9 tsaka 25. So, mag-a-add din tayo sa right para balance yung equation. So, simplifying, we have x squared plus negative 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals 16. Bakit? So, 9 plus 25 is 34 minus 18 equals 16. Next. So, pwede na natin siyang express into okay. So, inulit ko lang pala. Then, okay. So, kukunin ko na yung square of binomial. So, saan ang galing to? Diba? The x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to x minus 3 squared. And y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to y minus 5 squared. So, kumbaga, in-express ko lang itong trinomial into a square of binomial. And then, diba, nariyan na siya. Nadito na siya sa center radius form. So, the answer is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 4 squared. So, para siya maging r squared. So, the center of the circle is at 3, 5, and the radius is 4. So, di ba yun ang tinahanap? Ano daw yung center at ano yung radius. Okay? So, ito yung illustration niya. Which is tama naman. The center is at 3, 5, and the radius is 4. Now, how do we change equation of the circle to the general form? So, ito naman yung tinatawag na general form. Example, write the equation x plus 1 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 36 in general form. So, dapat maging ganito itsura niya. So, paano siya magiging ganyan? Okay, first step. So, expand the equation by getting its square. So, kukunin natin yung square ng x plus 1 squared at ng y minus 5 squared. So, we will get x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals 36. Diba? X plus 1 times x plus 1 is, ayan. Then, y minus 5 times y minus 5, ayan. Next, we are going to transpose 36 to the left. So, lipat natin yung 36. So, magiging negative 36 siya. Dahil nilipat natin, edi equals 0 na siya. Next, we are going to combine like terms. So, ano yung mga like terms dito? So, bali ang like terms lang dito ay itong 1, 25. So, 1 plus 25 is 26. Minus 36 is negative 10. So, magiging x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 10y minus 10 equals 0. Ayan. So, nasa general form na siya. Diba? So, dapat naka x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f. Dahil naka general form na siya, pwede nating makuha ang value ng d. So, d is ito, 2. E is ito, negative 10. And F is ito, also negative 10. Okay, and then, wala na pala. So, dyan lang nagtatapos ang ating lesson. So, medyo mahaba kasi syempre tapos na yung second quarter. So, kailangan lahatin na natin. So, again, thank you for listening. So, pag merong mga katanungan, as usual, chat-chat na lang. So, pwede magtanong. Huwag may hiyang magtanong. Okay? So again, bye-bye everyone. Thank you for listening. Sana may natutunan kayo. Okay, so lagi kong sinasabi, ah, always keep safe everyone.